Hey loves, coming with you tonight with the outfit of the night. Getting ready to go out with my girls. We're going to the hookah bar and probably a casino. So let me make this fast because they're on their way. But yeah, this is my makeup tonight. It's like a blue and silver going on. Kind of matched my blazer. My hair, I took out the Brazilian. I'll probably put it back in tomorrow or Sunday, but I wanted something new. It's just a half wig. Yeah. My jewelry, I got this from Rainbow a while ago. These, I don't even know where I got them from, I forget. And my bracelets, I think I got from like JCPenney. But yeah, let's get to my outfit. Alright. I think the light's in the way. Okay. So my blazer I got from Forever 21. My jeggings, Forever 21. My shoes. I can't really see them, but yeah. I got them from Bare Feet a while ago. What else? My shirt, I don't remember where I got that from, but yeah. This is my outfit. Hope you liked. Bye.